Okay, Sounds of Decay 2.
Sounds of Decay 2 is Cercle du Chêne, Récits, d'automne et Chasse.
Hey, we all like to get weird in the woods once in a while, and personally, I can see no better soundtrack than the debut album from Cercle du Chêne entitled What Stace Just Said. The band's name translates to Oak Circle, and the album to Tales of Autumn and Hunting, consisting of 7 epic tracks, most in the 7 to 10 minute range, so make sure you pack extra trail mix for this one.
Formed in 2020, Cercle du Chêne is one of several projects for one Joanna Maeyens, a prolific young French musician who is also a member of black metal band Tour de Bois and runs the French label Antique Records along with her husband Leon Guzlin, who is also involved in a dozen or so bands. There is a lot going on in this album, which explores the notion of a hunt from the perspective of the animals. If you like music with a cinematic vibe, then this concoction of trumpet fanfares, male choirs, tribal drums, bagpipes, harsh female vocals, and cracking heavy riffs should get your antlers moving without ruffling any feathers whatsoever.
There's an air of triumph and pomp to these 7 tracks, lots of exotic spoken word segments, folk-infused synth interludes, and quirky melodies. Think early Genesis crossed with Arch Enemy, something like that. The 10-plus minute La Croix, entre les Bois, which is the cross between the woods, it deserves a mention for its booming percussion, processional tempo, and dungeon synth interludes, a sound as refreshing as it is original, and Mayen's witchy vocals add a dark edge to the proceedings. Let's hear a little bit. This is the cross between the woods.
Doom fans that can't see the forest for the trees should check out the track, In the Crystal Frost. It is a sulkish pace and folk interludes simultaneously uplifting and crushingly heavy. If I had to pick a favorite, it would have to be track 4, Hunting Days, mainly for the stops and starts that alternate battering speed metal crescendos with quirky interludes of elfin magic. If you're strictly deicide and early cannibal, this may not be the perfect album for you, but for adventurous extreme metal fans, this elegant woodland metal could just be the French kiss you always desired. Let's play a song. This is Hunting Days.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.